Hunan FEIBOER Guangdong Communication Equipment Company Limited is a professional company engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of outdoor and indoor fiber optic cable, ADSS and OPGW cable, FTTH drop cable, fiber optic cable equipment. Our associate factory is located in Guangdong Province with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, we have introduced a series of advanced equipment, including Nextrom fiber coloring equipment, Rosendahl and Nextrom secondary coating equipment, American Lucent fiber ribbon equipment, advanced production equipment of OPGW, full set of optical cable testing equipment. The current process equipment is at the leading level in the domestic industry. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ROHS, Anatel, National High-Tech Enterprise certification. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Europe, America, Africa, Middle East, and Southeast Asia. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.